have discussed about the pair of angles and transversal, alternate angles and corresponding angles, and we have done some problems. Today also we will discuss some more problems and we will solve the problems. Children, see the third question in the figure. AB is parallel to CD and EF is perpendicular to CD. AB is parallel to CD. So here AB and CD are two parallel lines and EF is perpendicular to CD. So EF is perpendicular to CD. And next condition is given, angle GED is equal to 126 degrees. Angle GED, that is 126 degrees. This is the G point I am taking. Now I have to find angle AGE, and the next is angle GEF, this angle, and the next is angle FGE. So this, I need to find these three angles. So here it is perpendicular, means it is clearly 90, and one more angle is given, angle GED. This totally is 126. Now I have to find these three angles. So here clearly given. So first I am going to calculate the value of GEF, then I am going to consider these two are parallel lines and this is a transversal. Then I will solve. So here clearly given, AB is parallel to CD and EF is perpendicular to CD. If EF is perpendicular to CD, so therefore angle FED is equal to 90 degrees, and one more is given, angle GED is equal to 126. This is 126. Now angle GED is equal to combination of angle GEF and angle FED. So angle GED is equal to angle GEF plus angle FED. So GED is given 126 is equal to angle GEF plus FED is 90 degrees. Now angle GEF is equal to 126 degrees minus 90 degrees. That's equal to 36 degrees. Okay children, this is 36 degrees. So 36 plus 90 is, total angle is 120. Now clearly I know that AB is parallel to CD. Now I am thinking GE is a transversal. AB is parallel to CD and GE is a transversal. This is a transversal. Then automatically, so these two are the alternate angles. Now here angle AGE is equal to angle GED because these are alternate angles. I know GED value. Angle AGE is equal to, GED is 126, AG is 126 I got. Now angle AGE plus angle FGE is equal to 180 degrees. It is a linear pair. Now this total angle AGE and angle FGE, this total angle is a linear pair because it is a straight line clearly. So therefore 126 degrees H value plus angle FGE is equal to 180. Angle FGE is equal to 180 minus 126. I am taking this LHS 126 to right side. That's equal to angle FGE is equal to 54 degrees. So this value is 126. Angle FGE is 54 degrees. Now I got all the three values. So children, once again I am explaining this. AB and CD are two parallel lines and EF is a perpendicular line. Angle GED is given 126 degrees. Now I have to calculate angle AGE, angle GEF and angle FGE. So to this it is 90. Now I am going to calculate this value. That GED is equal to combination of these two angles. These two are different angles. Now I'm adding these two angles. These two angles is equal to 126. So 90 minus 126 is 36 degrees. The same way, AB and CD are parallel lines. I'm thinking GE is a transversal. If GE is a transversal, then angle GED is equal to angle AGE, because these two are alternate angles. These two are parallel lines, hence these are alternate angles. Now here, now I'm considering this one. It is a linear pair. AGE and FGE is a linear pair. Now 126 plus, and linear pair means 180. 180 minus 126 is 54 degrees. Now this is the value of FGE. So children, next question. Children, the next question. PQ is parallel to ST and angle PQR is equal to 110 degrees. This is the value. And next value is given, angle RST is equal to 130 degrees. So here PQ and ST are parallel lines. Just I am extending this, then automatically, so these two are parallel lines and it is going to be a transversal here. Okay. Now the hint is given, draw a line parallel to ST through R. I am drawing a parallel line here. The RU is parallel to even ST also. I am drawing. Hence these three are the parallel lines. Now I have to calculate the value of angle QRS. This is the value I have to calculate. Angle QRS value is how much? To this, children, first is given PQ is parallel to ST and angle PQR is equal to 110 degrees, and one more is given, angle RST is equal to 130 degrees. I am doing the construction here. Draw a line parallel to ST from a point R. I am drawing a parallel line. Draw a line parallel to ST from a point R. This is RU is parallel to ST. So the next, so therefore, if I am drawing a parallel line, therefore RU is parallel to ST, comma, SR is a transversal. So if SR is a transversal, then angle RST plus angle SRU is equal to 180 degrees, because here angles on the same side of transversal is 180. Now angle RST plus angle SRU is equal to 180. Angles on the same side of a transversal. So angle RST is 130 degrees plus angle SRU is equal to 180 degrees. Angle SRU is equal to 180 minus 130 is 50 degrees. So angle SRU is, this is 50 degrees. Okay, then the next I am taking the same way. PQ is parallel to RU. If already clearly we know that PQ is parallel to ST, then automatically PQ is also parallel to RU, and QR is a transversal. So angle PQR is equal to angle QRU. Angle PQR is equal to angle QRU. That means this total are alternate angles. Therefore angle QRU is equal to 110 degrees. But angle QRU is equal to angle QRS plus angle SRU. These two angles. So that's equal to angle QRU is 110 degrees. 110 degrees is equal to angle QRS plus SRU value is 50 degrees. Now angle QRS is equal to 110 minus 50 is equal to 60 degrees. So this value is 60. They asked us to find the value of angle QRS. Now children, see, once again I am saying here PQ is parallel to ST and angle PQR is given, angle RST is given. PQR is 110 degrees and angle RST is 30 degrees. I have to find the angle QRS. To this I am drawing one parallel line to ST such that from R point such that RO is parallel to ST. If these two are parallel lines, hence this is a transversal, SR is a transversal. If SR is a transversal, then angles on the same side of transversal is 180 degrees. So 180 minus 130 is 50 degrees. That means SRU value is 50 degrees I got. Now if PQ is parallel to ST, then automatically PQ is also parallel to RU. If PQ is parallel to RU, then QR is a transversal. If QR is a transversal, then angle PQR is equal to angle QRU because these two are alternate angles. So hence QRU is 110 degrees, but I need to find angle QRS. So QRU is equal to angle QRS plus angle SRU. So 110 degrees is equal to QRS value I don't know, QRS as it is, plus 50 degrees. So when I am doing the calculation, I am getting the value of 60 degrees. Children, see the fifth question. In the figure, AB is parallel to CD and angle APQ is equal to 50 degrees and angle PRD equal to 127 degrees. Now I have to calculate the value of X and Y. To find these X and Y values, so here these two are parallel lines. Then I am thinking this is a transversal, then automatically X value is equal to 50 degrees. Now here these two are parallel lines and PR is a transversal. Then again this total angle is equal to 127. 50 already known. Then by simplification I will get the value of Y, that is 77 degrees. So children, see here. AB is parallel to CD, comma, and angle APQ is equal to 50 degrees is given, and next angle PRD is equal to 127 degrees. So here I need to calculate the value of X and Y. So first I am thinking PQ is a transversal. So if PQ is a transversal, then angle APQ is equal to angle PQR because these are alternate angles. Angle APQ value is 50 degrees. 50 degrees is equal to PQR value is X. So therefore X is equal to 50 degrees. I got the value of X. It is 50 degrees. Now in the same way, AB is parallel to CD and I am thinking PR is a transversal. If PR is a transversal, then angle APR is equal to angle PRD. So angle APR is equal to 127 degrees. But APR is a combination of angle APQ and angle QPR. So here APR is equal to angle APR is equal to angle APQ plus angle QPR. APR value is 127 degrees is equal to APQ value is 50 degrees plus QPR is Y. So therefore Y is equal to 127 degrees minus 50 degrees. 127 minus 50 is 77 degrees. So Y value is 77 degrees. So see children, once again, AB is parallel to CD and angle APQ is 50 degrees and angle PRD is 127 is given. I have to calculate the values of X and Y. So here I am thinking these two are parallel lines and it is a transversal. Then automatically, so these angles are equal because these are alternate angles. By simplification, I am going to get the value of X equal to 50 degrees. Now here I am thinking PR is a transversal. If PR is a transversal, then angle APR is equal to angle PRD, because these two are alternate angles. Then APR is equal to 127 degrees, but APR is equal to angle APQ and QPR. So QPR. Now that's equal to 127 is equal to 50 degrees plus y. Y is equal to 127 minus 50 is 77 degrees. So let's see the sixth question. In the figure, PQ and RS are two mirrors. PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. So these two are parallel mirrors here, PQ and RS. An incident ray AB is striking the mirror PQ. If it is striking, automatically it is going to be reflecting back. So here BC is a reflected ray, and here one more mirror is there. Again it is going to be reflecting. That is CD. So here prove that AB is parallel to CD. I have to prove that AB, these two are parallel lines. Here these two are parallel, clearly given, but I have to prove AB is parallel to CD. So to this I need to construct two lines. So here these two, it is an incident ray and it is a reflected ray. One normal ray is present, that one I am taking it as BL. It is a normal ray L, and next one more normal ray I am constructing here. This is M. So if it is an incident ray to this mirror, then automatically it is reflected. So here these angles will be equal, and here these two angles will be equal, because a normal divides an incident and reflected ray at equal angles. So clearly in physics we already know angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. So angle of incident is this one, angle ABL is equal to angle LBC. In the same way BCM is equal to MCD. So now we'll solve this problem. So first I am going to prove that so these two are equal, and automatically these four angles are equal. If these four angles are equal, hence these are equal. So here construct a ray. First I am doing here, construct a ray BL is perpendicular to PQ and CM is perpendicular to RS. Okay. Now therefore BL is parallel to CM and BC is a transversal, because here these two are equal. Okay, it's a 90 degrees, it is 90 degrees, then automatically so these two are parallel lines, and BC is a transversal. Here I am thinking BL is parallel to CM and BC is a transversal. Therefore angle LBC is equal to angle BCM. These are alternate angles. So this one I am taking it as first equation, and in the same way angle ABL is equal to angle LBC, since angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. This one I am taking it as second equation, angle ABL is equal to angle LBC. Clearly I said these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. So here angle ABL is equal to LBC. See, first and two, LBC is equal to angle BCM. That means angle ABL is equal to angle BCM. That means that these two angles are equal. This is from equation 1 and 2. So this equation I am taking it as third one. Now clearly I know this is an incident ray and it is a reflected ray. Then automatically angle BCM is equal to angle MCD. So angle BCM is equal to angle MCD. This is since angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. This is the fourth equation. Okay, children. Now clearly I know angle ABL is equal to BCM, but BCM value is MCD, that is angle MCD. This is from what? Third and fourth equations, and this one I'm taking it as fifth one. Now angle ABC is equal to, this total angle I'm taking, angle ABC is equal to angle ABL plus angle LBC, these two combinations, that's equal to ABL is equal to LBC, angle LBC plus angle LBC, that's equal to angle LBC. Okay, this is the sixth equation. See here, once again I'm explaining. So here P and Q, PQ and RS are two mirrors, and AB is incident ray and BC is reflected ray. And to mirror RS, BC is the incident ray and CD is the reflected ray. To these I am drawing two normal lines, that is BL is perpendicular to PQ, this is 90 degrees here, and CM is perpendicular to RS. Now if these are 90 degrees, then automatically so these two are parallel lines, that is BL is parallel to CM, and I am thinking BC is a transversal. If BC is a transversal, here it is 90, then automatically so these angles are going to be equal, that is angle LBC is equal to angle BCM. These two angles are equal. Then if these two angles are equal, but clearly I know it is an incident ray and it is a reflected ray, then these two angles are equal. By that angle ABL is equal to angle BCM. In the same way, if I am taking these two rays, okay, then these two angles are equal. By that ABL is equal to MCD. ABL is equal to MCD. That means these two angles are also equal. But ABC, if I am taking this total angle ABC, why I have to take? Because this total angle should be equal to this total angle. Then only these two lines are parallel. For that sake, ABC is equal to angle ABC is equal to angle ABL plus angle LBC. So ABL is equal to LBC value from the second equation plus LBC as it is. Now it's equal to angle ABC is equal to 2 angle LBC. That is the sixth equation I am taking. Children, in the same way I am taking BCD is equal to angle BCD is equal to angle BCM plus angle MCD. But BCM value I know, that is angle LBC plus angle BCM, that's equal to angle LBC plus BCM value is angle LBC by all the 1 to 6 equations. Now that's equal to angle LBC. This is the seventh equation. Now compare from equation 6 and 7. So LHS, RHS are equal, and automatically LHS will be equal. Angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. Angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. These are alternate angles. If alternate angles are equal, therefore AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD and BC is a transversal. So hence proved.